Hi, this is Engineer Tolentino. Okay, I'm going. Today I'm going to show you a video solution of a complex number raised to another complex number. Now I have solved my previous video. In my previous video, I had solved this using a 991 ES or a 570 ES. Now I'm going to use a different calculator. It's now the classwiz or the 57991 EX calculator. And I'm also going to show you a direct calculator solution where I will not write anything except that it is purely calculator. Okay. Now this is now calculator techniques. The first step is, of course, to shift this to region mode. So shift menu, put number 2 there. Okay, your angle unit should be in shift menu, your angle unit should be in radian. Next step is, since we're dealing with complex numbers, now use complex numbers, enter menu and then number 2. So you are now in the complex mode. Look at the eye there. Okay. Next is store these two complex numbers into two variables. Your 3 plus 2i, store it to a, and then your 4 minus 3i, store it to b. Okay. Observe that you can what? You can review your stored variables 3 plus 2i and 4 minus 3i by clicking this key here, apo. Okay, at the top of the calculator. Next is, the next step is compute. Alright, len of the absolute value of a, plus the argument options, get the argument of a, then insert an I, then multiplied by d. You see that you will have the third complex number here. That's the third complex number. Alright, store that to z. Then after storing that to z, the final step now is enter e raised to d. You will have to extract the real part of c, and it's easy in this calculator. Enter option, get the real part of c. Then get the angle. And then you have to extract the imaginary part of c. That's option for imaginary part of c. Alright, now this is now the final part, and you will have the solution. Alright, this is now the solution, 74.2755 minus 983.44582. Now observe that I did not show, the rationale behind this. I want you to visualize or to figure out yourselves how I come out with the few steps. So that's all, and good day.